We run a very small farm of pedigree Romney sheep and pedigree Sussex cattle. At this time of year we're lambing, and it's a really good idea to have some shelter for the sheep. And then later on in the year we might want to store some hay down here, so it might serve as a hay store into the winter where we can at least keep some hay under cover. You've worked hard and long, and good to see it here.
Hi, it's me Mustafa. Me and Tom, we're going to install and demonstrate livestock temporary building. Adam determined us where we're going to build for the location. We're going to install this area. This is 4 by 4 and 2.4 meter high building.
Very good. First impression is very good. In the past, I'm sure we've all had something in the garden that's been too flimsy and not worked very well. But my impression is of this, it's rigid. Providing it puts up with the wind, I think it's going to do well. Yeah. There's not a lot on the market to compare it with, to be honest. So the only thing you can compare it with is a timber building of the same size, and it's miles cheaper than that. And I think it's going to be more durable.